Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I'll be attempting to eliminate this green hair color by canceling it out. If you would like to see the results of these findings, then please keep watching. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you I did a previous video on this particular head where I tried to strip the color with baking soda and it made her hair very dry and straw-like. So here is the results of that, and I was thinking, you know what, instead of just tossing it away, let's try to correct it. So as you can see here, it's varying shades of green here. Right here it's almost like a blue teal-ish green, a straight green, green with yellow, just all kind of stuff going on. So I decided, you know what, I did a little research and I found out the colors that could cancel out this particular color, and we're going to go over that in a second. Okay, so right here I'm showing you the complementary color of green, which is, in this case, it's red purple because it's almost like a yellow green in majority of the areas. So I'm going in with the strawberry leopard in Merlot. I chose this color because it has a red mostly and a violet tone to it. As you can see, it's very soupy and it's kind of runny. So what I'm going to do first is start off at the roots because I want the roots darker, and then I'm going to go into the ends. So we're going to take a look at that right here. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, as you can see here, I got my Aussie Total Miracle conditioner. It is a white conditioner, which is the only conditioner you can use to dilute hair color. So as you can see here, I've already done the roots, and now it leaves the ends. So I'm going to use a little bit of conditioner to try to dilute it so it's not so monotone, and it's going to make it appear a little bit lighter on the ends than it is at the roots. Okay, so right here I'm just combing the hair color through to try to blend the ends so it's not one big brush stroke mark at the roots. I want it kind of like a faded, gradual effect. And I'm also combing it throughout the rest of the hair to make sure that every strand is colored. So right here at the top, like I said, I'm trying to blend the roots in order to get the shade that I want. I mean, not the shade that I want, but to get a nice even blend. Okay, so here's the completed look. Once I've finished applying the hair color, it did get on the mid shaft and ends a little bit, but that's okay because eventually it's all going to use the same color all over. So the directions say to use it for like 20 or 30 minutes. I think I'm going to do it for 20 minutes, and I'm going to use a little water to try to emulsify the color. As you can see here, I'm just going to mist the hair, primarily concentrating on the very ends, and a little bit more conditioner in order to dilute it even more so it's not 100% tone. So I'm trying to take the color and I'm rubbing it throughout the entire hair, whatever is left over. I'm just taking a little bit more of the color. I mean, because I do want even coverage. I just want the ends to, and mid shaft and ends to be a little bit lighter than the roots. So as you can see, there's a little section right there that's a little green section. So I'm just working the color through, and I'll be back for further commentary. Okay, so right here I'm combing the color through because I didn't want to leave any strands that were still green or anything. So I'm making sure everything is thoroughly coated and that I hadn't missed any spots. So that's what you see me doing here. Okay, here's the completed look after I've done all of that. And now I'm trying to give you a close-up so you can see the color is a little bit lighter on the mid shaft and ends, however it's darker at the roots. Okay, so here's the hair after I rinsed all the color off. And what I'm going to do next is give her a little bit of a haircut, a trim, because her hair was pretty damaged and fried and it felt like straw. So I had to go in and do a conditioning, but to shampoo the hair color out and do a conditioning treatment because her hair was very dry. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you the finished result of the haircut and color. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe learned something in the process. Here's a close-up. We can get a better view, and it totally eliminated all of the green, the yellow green and everything, and I'm pretty pleased with the results. What do you think? In the comments down below, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.